Hello and welcome to our signing up and downloading video for LiveTime. We're going to guide you through going to the website, creating an account, downloading the software, and getting everything ready to start running LiveTime scoring engine on your computer. We'll start by going to our website. It's livetimescoring.com, as shown here right in the video. On the main screen, it shows a little bit about who we are and who we've worked with. There's definitely buttons along the top that should be easy to click and tap as you're going. Download section is where we're going to come back once we've created an account. Here's where you can go to download the latest versions of all of our software, including looking at release notes for those downloads. So if you're ever curious about what's new, what the latest version is, what are the bugs we've fixed, what are the features we've added, here is where you can look. So definitely check that out, and the big download button will be hitting here in a minute. Features and pricing, you definitely want to check out before long as well to get yourself an idea of the different editions that we offer. We also have drop downs at the bottom that explain the pricing, where if you pay month to month, if you pay in 3, 6, and 12-month increments. Give us a little bit more up front. We'll give you a price break on the per month charge. The difference between basic and standard and premium. Basic is not MyLapse. It's usually made for a very small backyard track. It's using an iLap TrackMade EasyLap. Once you get into the MyLapse territory, you're more than 20 people, you're definitely going to want to go to their standard edition. And premium is for those who run very big formats such as ladder mains, READY format, and want to be able to connect their data to other systems like our race board, race station, and other pieces of software. But for a majority of folks, the standard edition is what will work just fine. Check here for the latest pricing and price breaks based on if you pay in longer chunks. We do have a whole store front. Buy hardware at the top here takes us to that store at store.livetimescoring.com. Definitely check us out for all of your transponder, decoder, and general timing and hardware needs with that link. The training section, hopefully you've already found. That's how you get to this video and the new videos we post. And support is always here to tell you how to get a hold of us through email, through phone, what our address is, should you need to ship something to us or back based on something that you've purchased, or dealing with warranty information. We also will guide you here if we want to do remote support, be able to remote log into your computer to be able to help you with training or support should we need it. But for you starting out new, click on the login and register button in the top right. It's going to ask if you want to log in with the username and password you have already, but of course you won't have one. You're going to want to click this Create Account button. First, you want to choose what type, and I'm going to say I'm going to do an RC car account. My username, my name is Corey Track or something like that. That will be my username for logging in going forward. This next one actually confuses a lot of people. Part of your sign up for LiveTime is to create a LiveRC web address that we'll use to post all your results. And whatever you type in here is going to fill in where this red text is. So if I put in Corey Track, what this is going to create is coreytrack.liverc.com, and that's where everyone will go to view all the results of the timing that you do. In addition to this, then, you fill out the rest of this, put in your track's name, address, your contact information. If you've got a Facebook page or a website, put it here. We'll link to that from the results page so people can find your website through LiveRC, and just a password that you're comfortable with, and then click on the Create Account button to create the account. Once you've finished creating an account, it'll take you to the account portal. From here, you can actually go in and edit your profile and change information if you want. You can manage your subscription, add a credit card, and choose what subscription you'd like to renew at. So definitely this is where you're going to do all that online at livetimescoring.com. Once you have your account created, the next step is to download the software. So we want to go back to clicking that download button at the top of the menu, and then clicking under Scoring Engine, the download button. When you click on this, it's going to start downloading a program. Just let it finish. It may ask you this. It may say, hey, are you sure you want to download this? And if you're using Microsoft Edge, that browser, the one that comes with Windows, click on the dots and hit Keep. It's going to ask you one more time if you want to keep it. Click this download button next to Delete and click Keep Anyway. That will finish the download, and then you're able to click Open File to start running the installer. Once you open the installer, you're going to see this install screen. It's going to ask you to agree to the license terms and conditions. Go ahead and do that and click the install button. It's going to ask you if you are okay with running it from an unknown publisher. Hit yes and allow the installer to run through its steps. If everything goes successfully, this is the last screen you'll see. The installation successfully completed. Go ahead and hit close. You will now see a scoring engine icon on your desktop, and you'll be ready to open it up and run Lifetime Scoring Engine.